Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you guys having a Hyundai Sonata and you need to find the fuse guys for the instrument cluster. Bad news, you actually have two of them guys and one of them is a little bit hidden. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you, if you need to buy fuses guys, car parts, tools for your Hyundai, you can find all that. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for a really good price and quick shipping as well. That's where we get all our tools and parts from. Another thing, every single car we get at the garage guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. And you ask why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now, something else guys, on this Hyundai Sonata, we are guys planning on making at least 200 electrical videos, diagnostic videos, and they will be shared on this channel you're watching right now, so please subscribe. In addition, we'll be making at least 300 videos guys, mechanical videos, taking the car apart, replacing things, fixing the engine guys, on our main channel, Auto Repair guys. Okay, on that main channel guys, Auto Repair guys, we have helped more than 100 million people guys. We have information that can save you thousands of dollars on car repair, so please subscribe. New information is constantly coming. So all that being said guys, okay, this is a 2013 Hyundai Sonata that we'll be working on. So you need to come right here. You have the fuse box under the hood. You guys have one latch here, one on this side. What you need to do, squish those and pull up at the same time. Check it out, like that. Right here we need to find there is a fuse puller that we can use for the fuses inside that will be going. Okay, you can see this is your fuse puller. Now, let's go ahead and show you what we need to do guys. We need to get inside that vehicle, okay? And yeah, it's dirty guys, we have videos how to detail it. We just got it, we'll be making it look like brand new again. Right now it's terrible. So, let's explain, okay, what we have specifically here. For the instrument cluster, okay, if it doesn't work guys, okay, what you need to check, come right here under the steering wheel, okay, right there, pull that cover out, okay, and that's where the fuses are located guys. Okay, now we need to check actually two fuses, okay, and both of them are hidden a little bit, like they're not obvious which one is for the instrument cluster specifically. So let's explain that now. I need to, okay, let me just actually go ahead and get the fuse puller so I can show you how we're going to pull them as well. The first fuse that we need to actually guys check is known as room LP. Okay, and that's where things get interesting. Room LP guys, okay, if you come this way, you look at the fuse box, you come to the third row guys, third row, 1, 2, 3 from left to right. You come to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fuse guys. We have a 10 amp fuse right here. That's room LP under that cover. Now we will explain how to remove it. Another one, okay, you have one more fuse, okay, that can actually be responsible for the instrument cluster, and this is known as module 1. So module 1 guys, if you come on the second row from right to left, okay, let me just focus here quick, is that second fuse, okay, right here. Okay, my battery is trying to die on me, so let me just turn it on, back on. Okay, perfect. So I'm talking about this fuse, okay, right here, 7.5 amp fuse. So the top one, pretty easy. You get the fuse puller, you spread it, you go on the fuse, you pull it out. Now, how you guys test the fuse? We have a video on the channel that explains for sure if the fuse is good or bad, so that way you know. Otherwise guys, okay, you continue have a good fuse, but you start putting new parts and more labor into your car, spend money, when all you had to do is just test the fuse and figure out that actually it was a bad fuse, the one that you thought it was good. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. So if you need to buy a new fuse, we'll share the link where you can get all these fuses for incredibly good price. So I'll go ahead, okay, put this one back where it's supposed to, and how we replace the other one that's known as room LP, right here. Okay, you need to squish on each side. Okay, let me see now, okay, if I can pull this. Okay, let me see, those are the fuses guys. So you pull this way first, and then right here you have two teeth, okay, that you need to squish. Okay, like that, and you pull it out, and this is the fuse, and you can test it or replace it just like that. Now when you're ready, all we have to do, just slide it back in, which is not very complicated. Hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.